Imagine you're the superhero of sticking around in someone's thoughts. Like, you have this amazing power to stay on her mind, and it's all up to you. Sure, you can catch her attention with your good looks, cool status, or even some cash. But if you really want to be the champion of her thoughts, you've got to step up your game. Here's the secret playbook. Follow these steps and she'll be wondering why she can't stop thinking about you. Number 1. Stay mysterious. Imagine you're a puzzle she can't quite solve yet. Yep, ladies dig guys who aren't an open book. Being mysterious is like a game. They're up for the challenge. So here's the trick. Don't spill all the beans about yourself. If she knows your entire life story, she might lose interest. Instead, keep her guessing. Let her wonder about your hobbies, your job, your whole deal. Of course, being honest is a must, but also keep a bit of that mystique. Drop little hints like breadcrumbs along the way so she's curious to know more. The more mysterious you seem, the more she'll be into you. It's like planting a seed of curiosity that grows into her thinking about you all the time. Number 2, play hard to get. Imagine your life is a super cool party, and she's just one of the awesome guests. See, women like it when you're not always available for them. It's like a mystery they want to solve. So don't drop everything just for her. Keep doing your thing. When you start shuffling everything just to be with her, she might think she's got control over you. But if you have your own life going on, that's like a secret weapon of attractiveness. You had a life before her, and you'll have one during and after. When she sees you focusing on your own stuff, she'll feel like she's chasing something special. It's like keeping a little mystery alive that sticks you in her thoughts. Number 3, supercharge. It's like having a secret superpower that you can use for good or mischief. You choose. Here's the trick. Find out what really matters to her, and go all in on it. Imagine if she's crazy about a special place or has a thing she's dying to do. You can totally make her day by taking her there. And here's a sneaky tip. Do these cool things close to her home. Why? Because then, every time she's around those places, it's like a magical reminder of the fun times you've had together. It's like sprinkling your special spark everywhere. So when she drives by, talks with friends, or even watches TV, she's instantly reminded of you and the awesome things you've done. The more she's wrapped up in these memories, the more you'll be on her mind without you lifting a finger. Number 4, stay chill. Don't stress about her antics. Imagine it's like a game of testing waters. From disappearing acts to sassy comments, women might throw different stuff your way. But guess what? It's all about seeing how you react. She wants to know if you're a pushover or a rock-solid kind of guy. So, how do you ace these tests? If she's playing the disappearing act, you just let her drift away and do the same yourself. If she's trying to twist your words or being disrespectful, you stand up right away. Show her you're not up for those kiddie games and you've got a grown-up attitude. And hey, if she's all about these games, tell her she can play them somewhere else. The key is to never let gaslighting or disrespect slide. That's how you show her you're a keeper. Number 5, rock that confidence. Picture this. You're like a superhero who oozes self-assuredness. Whatever you're up to, do it like you own it. And when you're standing up for your beliefs, do it without a hint of apology. Here's the deal. Women are used to guys chasing after them like puppies. But you? Nope. You stand tall and strong. Your words and actions should match, even if you're unsure how it'll be taken. Walk like you've got a mission because how you carry yourself talks louder than words. Oh, and here's a cool secret. Keep those hands away from your body while talking. It's like a silent signal that says you're confident and cool, not on the defensive. Being a confident guy is like having a magnet for attention because it's like this magnetic force that pulls people in. It's like magic. Number 6, level up your time together. Imagine you're making a special recipe for unforgettable moments. When you're hanging out, it's all about making it count. But what's this high-quality time thing? Well, it's like tailoring your time to what she loves. You see, every woman has her own version of fun. For some, it's cozy nights in, and for others, it's fancy dinners out. The trick is to figure out what she loves and give it to her. And here's the key ingredient: your full attention. It doesn't matter where you are. Whether you're chilling at home or out on the town, be present. These moments become amazing memories only if she enjoys them. So think of it like you're creating a treasure trove of awesome times together. Number 7, the art of listening. Imagine you're like a treasure hunter seeking out the gems in her words. Women love to chat. It's like their superpower. Talking and sharing are like their secret code for emotional connection. Think of it as their version of building a connection before anything else. So if you're a guy who can really listen and have cool conversations, you're in the winner's circle. How to be a conversation king? Simple. Listen like you're tuned in, and ask questions that lead to more than just yes or no answers. When she opens up, dive deeper into what she's saying. When she realizes she can truly express herself with you, it's like building a trust bridge. And you know what's awesome? Trust is a rare gem these days. So by being the one she can trust, you're already standing out in the crowd. Number 8, stay positive and fun. Imagine you're the bringer of good vibes and laughter. Women are drawn to guys who make them smile and feel uplifted. It's like being a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day. When you're positive and bring a sense of fun, you become a magnet for her attention. Share jokes, enjoy playful banter, and find joy in the little things. Positive energy is infectious, and being around someone who radiates positivity makes her want to be around you more. So remember, being the guy who adds happiness to her day is a surefire way to stay on her mind. Thanks for tuning in. And if you're hungry for more insights, be sure to hit that subscribe button.